Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel, at least for now. Today we're going to be doing the Look Fantastic unboxing for March 2018. This box ships to almost anywhere in the world. I paid $22 Canadian for it. I paid $20 a month for it. I signed up for 6 months. I got my first box for $1 back in November. So this is coming to the end of it. I really enjoy this box. Below you will see my referral code for it if you'd like to sign up. This actually is kind of weighty. I'm really surprised. I really like the box. Like, isn't that nice? Like, it's a nice color. It's a nice springy feel. Sorry. I mentioned a few weeks ago that my pup passed away. Sasha. Up. There we go. We were able to adopt this 2-year-old. She is a West German Shepherd. She's from our working line. Her name is Sasha. So I'll be hopefully doing some videos on her later. So you'll hear her prancing around in the background. So I apologize for that now, but she's just getting used to us. We just got her on Friday. Didn't think I'd get a dog this early, but I think she's good for all of us right now. Okay, you go lay down, pups. You go lay down. Anyway, she's like, no, pay attention to me. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing for this. First thing I see is the beauty. So Look Fantastic also has an Easter egg out. I believe it's over $100. I'm not exactly sure what comes in it. Every year is different. If you go online, you can see unboxings of it. I do not get it. I probably won't because I've got a dog now to pay for. So let's just see here. Okay, so in the box it tells us what's actually in the box. So it doesn't give us prices, which is kind of odd, but I kind of like it. It's got the spotlight on our subscribers and other items. The next is Elle, and that's Michelle Williams on the front. Only they'd stick samples in this, that'd be nice. So it's a nice purple box. Okay, Sasha. Sasha, come on. So let's see here. First thing, Sasha, enough. First thing I see is the Rituals Soothing Hand Balm, Cherry Blossom, and Rice Milk. She already has stuff. Just getting her out of the room so I can do this video. Oh, that smells so nice. I like the Rituals line. I've gotten their foaming shower line. I really, really, really like it. It's nice and light. Thick, thick lotion. I'm in desperate need. For some reason, lately my hands have been super dry. My face has been super dry. I'm not sure if it's the weather or what. So the next item I see is Madeira Skin Care Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal Mud Repair Mask. Targets signs of aging and detoxes. I think I have got something from them last month that says Smart on it. Let's open her up. Can't really see. I'm not going to completely open it up only because I have so many masks that I'm trying to get through, so I will be using this. Let's see what the next item is. Ooh. It's EOS Evolution of Smooth Lip Balm, Honeysuckle, Honeydew, I use these quite often. I like them. The only thing is that they're big and bulky, so it's hard to put in your pocket or anything else. So otherwise, these work really well. My daughter and I usually fight over them. So, and right now my lips are super dry. I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but. So the next item I see is Amorovisia. I said that wrong, from Budapest, cleaning foam. So I just used their black foam. It came in a jar. I actually got it free when I ordered a subscription to Porter magazine. I didn't mind it. I didn't think anything fantastic of it. Like, it just was another face wash. All I can smell is my hand lotion. So I will be using that because I do like the brand. I just, for $135, I really kind of expected more. The next item I see is the Morphe High Impact Highlighter. Let's see here. The box is kind of neat. It's kind of shiny here. It's Blend the Rules. Oh, it's in Spark. So I don't think I have any Morphe highlighters. So, just rip the box because I'm not getting it open any other way. So that is actually really, really shiny, really pretty. You can see that. It's really nice. It's really pretty. I'll be using that for sure. And it's like a nice size. It's not too big. I'm sure I can use all of that up. So the last item I see, I believe, is full size. It's the Ordinary Hydrator and Oils Hydraulic Acid Hydration Support Formula with Ultra Pure Vegan Hydraulic Acid. Let's see here. Ooh, that is a nice size bottle. I will be using this. That's definitely. Let's try it here. I guess I'll be trying this tonight with my skincare regime right now. Ooh. I don't know if you can see, but there's an instant softness. Ooh. I will be for surely liking this. Now, I believe this is a full size. I believe this is also a Canadian company. No. A District d'Isam, New York. New York. Does say London. I'm gonna have to look that up. I believe this is a Canadian company, but I'm not exactly sure. I know this is sold in Sephora, so I'm gonna have to look it up and see if how much this is. But I think this is more than the cost of the box right here. I mean, everything is a really good size. A little bit of skincare, some hand care, mask, lip care, which we all need. Seems like it's a really nice box, especially with spring coming up. It's nice and light. Items, some moisturizer, anti-aging stuff, you know, and the pollutant mask will come in handy because, like I said, I do work in a factory where it gets dusty and crappy, and we're going to be doing expansion, so I'm sure I'll have lots of dust and everything else. I have, I want to also mention I have a giveaway coming up, or going on right now. Once we get to 500 subscribers, I believe I'm about 20 people away from that, so if you guys could go find the video, it should be about 2 or 3 back. Share it, get your friends to sign up. I just need more subscribers. And then just leave a comment below saying what you like out of the box so far. I'm not sure if I'm going to add any more to it at this point. When I get to 1,000, I do have a full-size Tarte highlighting, the Princess palette. the one that we got at Boxy, I have that, and then I have a few other things that I might add to it, including a full size, maybe a ColourPop palette, or even one of the past BoxyCharm palettes that I haven't used yet. Stay tuned. I am getting my Ipsy in the next hopefully week or two. Let's hope they don't get lost. I have 2 of those, and I have the 3 Huda palettes that were available for the add-ons. BoxyCharm has been delayed, but I should be getting that in the next couple weeks. And I think that's about it for this week, but stay tuned. I will have more videos of my dog, doing some training with her. And thanks for watching.